What do you do when you have audio that sounds like this?
Yeah, come on, Jack, you wanted to play the game, didn't you?
Oh, it just makes me want to throw up inside. Thankfully, all hope is not lost. There are a few different things that you could try. Open Premiere and put on the denoise effect.
Yeah, come on, Jack, you wanted to play the game.
That doesn't work. Since you're mostly dealing with static frequencies, you can use this effect called the notch filter. The notch filter allows you to bring down the volume of very specific frequencies as long as you're using super narrow notches. So pause the audio at a point where you can see the jumps in frequencies and line up your notches to bring them down.
Yeah, come on, Jack, you wanted to play the game, didn't you?
That kind of works. Feel free to add as many copies of notch filter as you like.
Yeah, come on, Jack, you wanted to play the game, didn't you?
Now, another option is bring it into Adobe Audition. Once in Audition, find a point where you can just hear the interference. Now, capture that noise print and open the noise reduction effect and apply as much noise reduction as you like.
Yeah, come on, Jack, you wanted to play the game, didn't you?
So it should be sounding a lot better already, but you can also add the notch filter on top of that. So once I brought it back into Premiere, I did notice that there was more interference in the left channel than the right. So what I did was I set them both to be playing the right.
Come on, Jack, you wanted to play the game, didn't you? Come on, Jack, you wanted to play the game, didn't you?
And there you have it, pretty easy. It does affect the sound quality, but you can't have everything, right? Okay.